You served your country with honor and dedication, facing challenges head-on and demonstrating unwavering commitment. Now, you're your own boss, a testament to your initiative and drive, forging your own path in the world of entrepreneurship. You've traded the structured environment of the military for the dynamic landscape of self-employment, and now, you're ready to conquer the American dream of homeownership. That quintessential symbol of stability, security, and personal achievement is within your reach. You've heard about the VA loan, a benefit earned through your service designed to make homeownership more accessible. Zero down payment, no private mortgage insurance, PMI. These are significant advantages that can save you thousands of dollars. It sounds like a cheat code, a shortcut to achieving your homeownership goals with less financial burden. But mention self-employed to a lender, and the landscape shifts. Suddenly, you're under a microscope. Your financial history, business practices, and income streams are all subjected to intense scrutiny. The questions start, probing, persistent, and sometimes seemingly endless. Where's your W-2? Why the income dip in the last quarter? Lenders crave consistency, and self-employment often presents a more variable income picture. What's with all these business expenses? They want to understand every deduction, every write-off, and how it impacts your net income. It feels less like a straightforward loan application, where you simply provide basic information. It feels more like an interrogation, a deep dive into the intricacies of your financial life. You might even wonder if re-qualifying for boot camp with its clear rules and defined expectations would be easier than navigating this complex financial maze. For self-employed veterans, the path to securing a VA loan can often feel like an uphill battle. The VA loan process, normally a smooth road for eligible veterans, can feel like a minefield, fraught with potential setbacks and frustrations. Lenders want predictability and neat boxes to check, a clear and consistent financial picture that aligns with their risk assessment models. But your entrepreneurial life by its very nature is anything but predictable. It's dynamic, ever-changing, and often involves juggling multiple priorities. But that's not a weakness, it's not a disadvantage, and it certainly shouldn't deter you from pursuing your dreams. In fact, it's your edge. Your adaptability, resilience, and problem-solving skills are assets that can help you navigate the complexities of the loan process. You just need a guide who understands the unique challenges and opportunities that come with self-employment. Someone who appreciates both the discipline of a veteran and the hustle of an entrepreneur. Someone who can translate your unique circumstances into a language lenders understand. This isn't a story about defeat, about giving up on your dreams in the face of adversity. It's about strategy, about developing a plan of action to overcome the obstacles in your path. The system isn't broken, it's not inherently biased against self-employed individuals. It's just built for a different kind of player, one with a more traditional employment history and a predictable income stream. But you can adapt, you can learn the rules of the game, and you can overcome the challenges that stand in your way. You absolutely can get that house, that symbol of your hard work, dedication, and entrepreneurial spirit. All you need is the right intel, the knowledge and understanding of the VA loan process for self-employed individuals, careful preparation of your financial documents, and a strong team of professionals to support you. Forget the naysayers, the doubters who tell you it can't be done, and the cookie-cutter lenders who don't understand your unique situation. We're about to demystify the process, break it down into manageable steps, and provide you with the insights you need to succeed. We'll give you the playbook, the strategies, and the resources to march confidently into your new home, knowing you've earned it every step of the way. Ready to take control of your homeownership journey? Let's go. Every mission needs a leader. For this one, meet Kris McCullough. He's not just a loan officer, he's a retired Marine who's lived your journey. Kris saw veterans, especially entrepreneurs, getting denied by lenders who didn't understand their financial picture. He made it his mission to master the VA loan process for self-employed vets. His KDM team's motto, "We fund what other lenders fear." Where others see risk, Kris sees opportunity and discipline. He digs into complex tax returns, tells your story, and proves your creditworthiness. With Kris, you're not just a file, you're a fellow veteran on a mission. His dual perspective is your secret weapon. He gets it, and that makes all the difference. Embarking on the journey of homeownership is a significant milestone, especially for our self-employed veterans. But why does it often feel like an uphill battle for self-employed vets to secure a VA loan? What are the hurdles that make the process more challenging compared to those with traditional employment? One-word proof: The key to unlocking the door to your dream home lies in your ability to provide solid, verifiable evidence of your income. W-2 employees hand over a pay stub, a consistent and easily verifiable record of their earnings. Simple, predictable. Lenders love predictability because it reduces their risk. Your income is a wave, not a drip. It ebbs and flows with the market, the season, and a myriad of other factors. Some months are booming, bringing in substantial revenue and exceeding all expectations. Others are lean, cash flow can be tight and profits may be minimal. This variability makes underwriters nervous. They seek stability and consistency when assessing your ability to repay a loan. Then there are write-offs, a crucial part of running a business. Your accountant helps you save on taxes, but those deductions shrink your net income on paper. While beneficial for tax purposes, this can inadvertently impact your loan eligibility. Lenders only care about your net income, the bottom line they use to determine your borrowing power. The number after all deductions, it's the figure that dictates how much they're willing to lend you. You might gross $150K, demonstrating a thriving and successful business. But after write-offs, your taxable income could be $50K, a significant difference that can affect your loan options. That's the number lenders use to decide how much house you can afford. It's a critical factor in determining your purchasing power. The very strategy that makes you a smart business owner, optimizing your tax situation, can make you look less qualified to a lender. It's a frustrating reality for many self-employed individuals. It's a paradox, a seemingly contradictory situation that requires careful navigation. But it's one you can navigate with the right approach. Understanding the lender's perspective is key. Understanding this is the first step to winning the game and achieving your dream of homeownership. Here's the big rule. Lenders want to see 2 years of self-employment income. 1 great year isn't enough. They want proof you can sustain success. You'll need 2 years of tax returns. Lenders average your net income over 24 months. If your most recent year is much better, most lenders still average both years. Big jumps in income can be a red flag unless explained with documentation. A savvy loan officer can help you present your case and possibly use your higher income. If you've been self-employed less than 2 years, you'll need a strong history in the same field. The gold standard: 2 solid years of self-employment tax returns. Know this rule, and you're already ahead. Time to gather your intel. Documents are your ammunition. You'll need complete signed personal and business tax returns for the last 2 years' year-to-date profit and loss statement, and a balance sheet. Proof your business is legit: business license, articles of incorporation, or a CPA letter. Standard stuff: 2 months of bank statements, personal and business, driver's license, and your VA certificate of eligibility. Organize everything. A clean file makes the process faster and easier. Preparation is your best weapon. Success starts with preparation, long before you apply. Know your numbers, find your net income on your last 2 tax returns, average them, and see if it supports your target mortgage. If not, strategize with your accountant. Maybe take fewer deductions next year to boost qualifying income. Keep business and personal finances separate, no commingling. Open dedicated business accounts for all income and expenses. This creates a clean paper trail for underwriters. Most important, choose your loan officer wisely. Don't settle for a generalist at a big bank. You need a specialist who works with self-employed veterans, someone like Kris McCullough. The right loan officer is the cornerstone of your application. Ready for pro-level moves? Involve your CPA early. They're your strategic partner, not just your tax preparer. A CPA letter verifying your business's health and income structure can strengthen your file. Never amend tax returns mid-process. It looks suspicious to lenders. Plan ahead. File taxes with your mortgage goal in mind. Be ready to explain any dips in income with a clear letter of explanation and supporting documents. Keep your finances stable. No big purchases, new credit, or unexplained deposits until closing. These tactics turn a borderline file into a winning one. Your loan officer is your MVP, your strategist and advocate. The wrong officer can sink your application, no matter how strong your finances. Generalists at big banks may mishandle your file, missing key details and causing delays or denials. Specialists like Kris McCullough know the VA guidelines inside out. They analyze your tax returns, anticipate underwriter questions, and present your case with a compelling narrative. The KDM team's motto: we fund what other lenders fear. They've turned self-employed VA loans into a science. With the right team, you remove guesswork and anxiety. Don't settle for less when your dream home is on the line. The path to homeownership can be a complex journey, especially when you're navigating it as a self-employed veteran. It presents unique challenges that differ from those faced by traditionally employed individuals. But it's absolutely achievable. With the right knowledge, preparation, and support, you can realize your dream of owning a home. You've already built a business from scratch, pouring your heart and soul into creating something from nothing. That experience has instilled in you the discipline, the resilience, and the unwavering drive necessary to get this done. Homeownership is just another mission, and you're well equipped to tackle it. Consider this guide your playbook, a strategic resource designed to provide you with the insights and tools you need to succeed. First, understand your income. Lenders will scrutinize your earnings, so it's crucial to have a clear and accurate picture of your financial situation. Embrace the 2-year rule. Lenders typically want to see at least 2 years of self-employment history to assess income stability. Gather all necessary documents, including tax returns, bank statements, and profit and loss statements. Organization is key. Prep your finances, improve your credit score, reduce debt, and save for a down payment. And use advanced tactics, such as exploring different loan programs and understanding how to present your self-employment income in the most favorable light. Most importantly, assemble your dream team. Surround yourself with experienced professionals who understand the nuances of VA loans and self-employment. This includes a specialist loan officer who can guide you through the process and advocate on your behalf. You earn this benefit through your dedicated service to our country. Don't let paperwork or inexperience stop you from achieving your homeownership goals. Your entrepreneurial spirit, your resourcefulness, and your unwavering determination are your greatest assets. Now put this intel into action and take the first step towards securing your future. Reach out to experts who can provide personalized guidance and support. Connect with experienced professionals like Kris McCullough and the KDM team. Get pre-qualified for a VA loan to understand your purchasing power. And start your journey with confidence, knowing that you have the tools and the team to succeed. Thank you for your service to our nation. And thank you for your courage and dedication as an entrepreneur. Now go get your house, the home you've always dreamed of. You've earned it through your service and your hard work. Hoorah!